everyone, today I'll show you how to turn on the authentication app step by step. Let's start it. First, open your phone setting, go to accounts and select your Google account. Now, open security and sign in. Scroll down until you find the option of authentication app and tap on it. Here, Google will ask you to confirmation that you are the owner. Just verify with your screen lock. Next, you will see a screen with a QR code and an option that say cannot scan. Select cannot scan. Now a setup key will appear. Copy this key, open your authentication app, tap the plus button and choose add account. Paste the key here and add your account name. Then click add. Now go back to your Google account settings and enter the code from your authentication and click verify. That's it. Your authentication app is now set up your Google account. Thanks for watching.